Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check all device specifications of this Xiaomi. Firstly, open Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now install this app from this developer and simply open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about this Xiaomi's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!